Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, ma'am. And how are you doing, ma'am?
Yes, I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. So I guess, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old, ma'am. My name is Ritika Lodi. And how old are you, ma'am?
That's a very controversial question that you have asked. Okay, right. So basically, where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. Okay, and which standard are you studying in?
I'm studying in 4th standard, ma'am.
Fourth standard. Wow, that's great. That's great. And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English. My hobby is
Sorry, your hobby is
playing football.
playing football. Okay, that's great. Your hobby is playing football. Wow, you play football?
Yes, ma'am, I play.
Okay. Yes, right. And which is your favorite subject?
My subject is English, ma'am.
Okay. What do you like in English? Why do you like English rather?
English, I think English is a good language.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow, English is a good language. Yes. And why not maths or science or any other subject? Why English? What about maths?
Maths. Yes, ma'am, I like maths.
You like maths, but your favorite is English, right?
Yes, ma'am, is English.
Okay, that's great. So, can you tell me, can you narrate any such story that you have read, read recently that you remember now?
In my book, I have read many stories.
Yes. Can you recollect one of them? Yes.
One of them was Neha alarm clock.
Fine. Can you go ahead? Can you narrate that story to me?
Ma'am, do I have to tell the story?
You can tell it you can just narrate in your own words, whatever you have understood about the story.
About the story. First, there was a little girl. Girl named Neha. She used to get up at very late, 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. There was an alarm who used to ring at 6 o'clock and say, "Get up, get up." She say, "Oh no, this alarm clock is disturbing me again." So she used to cover her ears with the pillow. One day she wished to the God, "Oh, I wish this clock was broken." The clock broke. Her wish came true. She was so happy. Then she went to sleep. Then there was some birds chirping from the window and said, "Neha, you are late for school. Get up." She said, "Oh no, these birds are disturbing me now." She said, "Oh, I wish these birds were not here to disturb me, that I can sleep longer." She said. Then instead, then she went to sleep. When she came from school, she went to sleep. So what happened? They were in the morning, there were no birds, but there was someone else who did not want Neha to be late for school. It was the sun. She said, "Oh no, the sun is very bright. Now the sun is disturbing me." He said, so said, "Oh no, the sun is disturbing me now. I have to get ready." That's ready. She get ready. Then she said, "Oh, I wish if there was no sun to disturb me, that I can sleep much longer." So there was no sun. The sun was covered with the clouds. So the next morning she sleep longer. Then her mother said, Neha, you are late for school. Then she said, oh, this is my mother. What can I do now? She said, oh, I have to get up now. It's my mother. She got ready and went to school. But then when she arrived from school, her mother said to Neha, Neha, I think there is an alarm clock inside you. She said, then her mother said, oh, why do you sleep early? She said, because I feel sleepy. Why do you have your dinner and lunch and breakfast early? She said, because I feel so hungry. She said, oh, there's an alarm clock inside you. Then she said, oh, Mama, today who got me up? She said, you got up by yourself. Woke me up. So then she said, oh no, I'm already late. Then her mother said, no, don't worry. Today is Saturday. You don't have to go to school. She said, oh, today is a holiday.
Okay. Is that the end?
This was the end one.
Okay, that's great, that's great. Wow, such a beautiful narration. So you love this story a lot, right?
I have heard the story.
Okay, you've just heard the story. Okay, okay. Is it also in your notebook? I mean, is it also covered in your syllabus? In your books, or you've just heard about it?
No, I have not heard about that. It's in my book.
Okay, great, great, great. Now, yes, tell me, yes, what are you about to say something?
No, ma'am. What is your hobby?
My hobbies are music, reading, and sometimes traveling as well. Yes. What is your hobby? What are your hobbies, rather?
I like going out with my sister, playing football.
Going out with your sister? Okay, that's great. And how old is your sister?
I have 3 younger sisters.
Oh my God. Okay. So
There
you
are
go
six.
on. Okay.
There are 6 members in my family. My first sister is 9 months old, and the second one is 2 years old. Third one is 4-year-old.
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. Mm-hmm. Okay. And which? Yes, I have an elder sister. Yes, I have an elder sister, just one elder sister. Yes. And yeah, even we used to play a lot when we were kids, when we were younger, right? Okay. Yes. Now, which one do you like more, winter season or summer season?
When I like winter season.
Why is it?
Why is it? Because I like cold season. Even my sister like we like to play in the snow.
You like to play in the
No,
snow. Okay. Where does it snow?
it's not snow here, ma'am. I don't know where is it. Where do it snow?
Where?
Where is?
Which place do you belong to? Which state and city are you living in right now?
I'm living in Mumbai, Sorry.
Sorry, which place?
Mumbai,
Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, so you're in Mumbai. Yes, right. So have you heard about Jammu Kashmir?
I have heard about.
There it snows, right? It snows in Jammu and Kashmir, right? Yes,
Where do
yes.
you live?
Sorry, where do I live? I live in Kolkata, West Bengal. Search for it in the map today, right? When you are free and when you have time, search for it in the map. You'll find it. West Bengal, right? Yes. Okay. And now, yes, we already talked about that. Okay, fine. And what about summer vacations? How many days of summer vacations do you have?
I don't know how many holidays I have, but I don't. Diwali is around the corner, so we are not going to school. Tomorrow
Hmm,
is Monday.
I know. Then happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. And which is your favorite festival?
Festival. I like Diwali, Holi.
And why do you like these two? And why not others?
I like Diwali because it's a festival of light, and Holi because it's a festival of color. We
Hello.
like playing with color and putting on our face.
Right, 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 right. So, do you fight with your sisters, with your siblings during Holi, with colors and everything?
Not only when we fight, we fight every day.
You fight every day? Okay, that's great. That's great.
See,
Who
I
is
need
the?
this.
Hmm. Sorry?
If I have taken something of her
Hmm.
or
Hmm.
myself, or I've taken my hair belt, which is very beautiful, she will say, I need this.
Oh,
We start fighting.
okay. So your younger sisters are bossy, right? They want everything you have.
Yes.
Yeah, and that's the reason that makes you angry and you fight, right?
Yes, ma'am. Do you fight with your elder sister?
Ah, yes, we used to fight a lot. Now we don't as much, right? Because we are far away and we just cannot meet each other quite often these days. But yes, we used to fight a lot when we were younger. Yes, right, 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 right. And what about just a second? And what about your native place? Is your native place in Mumbai itself, your homeland? Your okay? How many members are you in your family?
There are 6 members in my family. 3 sisters and me, my mother, father.
Okay. And do you have any parents, grandmother, grandfather?
Yes, but they are in village right now.
Yes. What? Which? Do you know the name of the village?
Uh, 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 hmm.
No. Okay. Okay.
Um,
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. But is it in Mumbai itself or is it outside of Mumbai? Do you know this?
uh, I think outside of
Okay. Okay. No worries. No worries. Okay. Fine. 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 And since you said you just love winters more, right? So, if I had to ask you about rainy season, do you hate rainy season or do you love rainy season?
no, ma'am. I don't like rainy season. It always rains, and I can't go outside to play with my sisters.
Right, 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 right. So, do you go to school even during the rainy season?
Yes, I take umbrella. Ma'am, do you like rainy season?
No, even I hate it. I like it only when I'm at home, right? It is cloudy and it rains, so I can see it from the outside, from the inside, right? So I love it. If I have to go outside, I'll hate it. Right? There's water everywhere. I don't like it.
Because my
Right?
sisters are at home, so I and my sister play at home.
Mm, right, right, right. So you were at home like for 2 years, from the time of COVID, right? If you remember, right, right. So did you like going? Do you like going to the school or do you like your classes online from home? Which one do you like more?
Going school
And why is it?
is it online? We ca- I can't talk to my friends. Teacher is there,
Hmm.
and
Online, you can't talk to your friends. Hmm.
offline when I'm in school, I can talk. While teacher is writing, we talk to each other.
We try to whisper in each other ears, right? We try to whisper to each other. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wow, that's great. That's great. And do you also ask your doubts from your friends, or do you fight with them? Mhm.
No, no, ma'am. I don't fight with them.
Okay, that's great. And how many friends do you have? Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Did you say something? How many friends?
3, ma'am.
3 friends. Wow, that's great. That's great. Yes, and yes. Tell
Do
me.
you, my friend, do you have?
Of course, I have so many friends, right? But the most that I can remember, I have 5 friends, 5 very close friends. Hmm. Yes. Right. And okay, fine. Okay. And what about your favorite food? Do you like home cooked food or do you like fast food like pizzas and burgers?
No, ma'am. I like pizza, but I don't eat outside food all the time. If I want to eat pizzas, my mother can cook it.
Okay. It means you don't prefer outside food. It is all made at your house, right? It made at your home, right, by your mother. Yes. Okay. And when you go outside, like you said, you love going outside with your sisters. When you go outside, don't you have any food outside?
No, ma'am. I want to go to the park,
Uh,
and the park open at 5 o'clock.
okay. Okay. Hmm. And which one do you like more, ice cream or chocolates?
Ice cream.
Wow, that's great. And which flavor?
Which flavor? I like chocolate. Do you like?
Yes, of course I do. And my favorite is chocolate too. I also love butterscotch. It is good. Yes, but I like chocolate as well. Yes, yes, I
What is
like
your
it.
favorite color?
Which is my favorite color? These days I love purple more. Right, purple.
I like pink.
Wow, that's a favorite color for every kid, right? Pink. Hmm.
Everybody like pink color.
Yes, everybody likes pink color. Right. Okay, you're such a smart and lovely kid, Ritika. I just love talking to you, right? So yes, I guess we are about to end the session, right? And I had enjoyed this session with you, and I hope to meet you soon in another session. Do you have any doubts that you want to ask?
Mm, no.
No? No? Okay. Okay.